Hi, everyone. I'm Srinivasan, co-founder and CEO of Spoke. We're a modern ticketing system built for today's forward-thinking companies. And when I talk about ticketing, I mean internal requests within your organization, IT requests, HR requests. But before talking about ticketing, let's actually spend a second on this notion of what we call the on-demand workplace. And I'm going to try to get this clicker to work. There we go. So before ticketing, here's why we built Spoke. In the last 5 years or so, in our consumer lives, we've gotten used to on-demand services. We don't order a cab anymore, right? We use Uber or Lyft. We don't go to the mall anymore. We use Amazon Prime. We probably don't call a restaurant and order delivery. We use an app. And the common feature to all of these on-demand services is immediacy, it's convenience, it's personalization. And what happens is consumers who are used to these experiences, they come to work the next day, and they expect the same thing from their IT colleagues, from their HR colleagues, from their office colleagues. And so that's what we refer to as the on-demand workplace. And in the on-demand workplace, nobody wants to file tickets in a portal anymore. They don't want to go to a corporate internet, fill out this long form, and then maybe receive a response 2 days later. And so that's why we built Spoke. So the first thing about Spoke is that we focused on modern design. The way we've built Spoke, it looks like this. It's super easy to use. It still has all the power of a ticketing system, but it's fast, it's responsive. Anybody in the company can use it. And the thing is, your end users, your colleagues aren't even going to go into the ticketing system. In the on-demand workplace, when they need something, they're probably going to go to something like Slack. So let's look at this GIF. Jordan here, he has a quick HR question. He's not going to create an email. He's not going to fill out a form. What he's going to do is talk to his friend Sam in the HR team and ask her how to change his address. Now here's the thing, Sam's getting 100 of these requests all the time. And in the on-demand workplace, what she can do with Spoke is click a button, Spoke understands the question, automatically responds to Jordan, he gets the response, right? This is what ticketing in the on-demand workplace looks like. And the cool thing is, if you build a system that's super easy to use, it's not just used by IT teams, it's not just used by DevOps teams, it can be used by marketing, product, facilities. And so in fact, something like 80% of our customers use Spoke across more than 2 teams. 25% of our customers use Spoke across more than 5 teams. So one part of the on-demand workplace ticketing experience is design. The second, of course, is the AI or the machine learning component. So we've been working on this for 3 years. We have probably one of the best ML models for workplace requests. And essentially, one of our core innovations is we spin up a private self-service deep learning model per customer, and then it's continuously learning as the tickets are actually going through the system. And because of that, we're not only able to respond automatically, but we're able to personalize experiences, because that's the need of the on-demand workplace. So let's look at these 2 screenshots. Jordan in the San Francisco office and Isabel in the Rome office asked the exact same question, how do I change offices? Spoke recognizes who's in what location and provides the appropriate personalized response back to them. So for Jordan, how to move offices in the US, for Isabel, how to move offices in Europe. Because of this, up to 50% of all of our requests from our customers are automatically resolved. But here's the thing, what we're super excited about, the next phase of Spoke is half of the time when you're contacting your IT folks, your HR colleagues, it's a knowledge request. The other half of the time, it's actually a service request. You need their help in getting something done. And this is what service requests look like right now. It's basically incredibly archaic, cumbersome, long workflows with approvals. Nobody knows how to actually get stuff done. This is what workflows and service requests look like in Spoke. Incredibly intuitive, natural language. You write out the steps that you want done, and you tell Spoke who should be working on what. Let's actually see what this looks like. So Jordan, again, he has a lot of problems today. So Jordan is going to Spoke again, and this time he's saying, look, I got a phishing email. And Spoke is recognizing that this is not a knowledge request, it's a service request, sending it to the InfoSec team, asking Jordan whether he opened the mail and if there's something wrong with his computer, and automatically creating a ticket with the InfoSec team with these responses. And it's even telling Jordan to forward the email to the phishing alias. This is what a service request automated in Spoke looks like. Here's what the InfoSec team sees. Super easy interface. They have all of the context about this ticket, including the questions that Jordan has answered. And then Spoke automatically tells them what tasks to do, like enrolling Jordan in a phishing training program. And they respond back to Jordan immediately, right? Spoke is doing all of this automatically. Here's the thing, in the on-demand workplace, Jordan doesn't want to come to the ticketing system, so he's going to get the response directly back in Slack. So in summary, basically, we automate repetitive knowledge requests, but now we also recognize when a request is a service request, who it should go to, what questions you should answer, and what workflow to automatically create. If you'd like a demo, please check us out at askboak.com. Thank you.